Welcome to this video on using tables in Microsoft Word. Without the use of well-crafted tables, presenting metrics, budgets, timelines, and performance reports becomes challenging. Your documents become cluttered and are less understandable. Using tables will save you time and make your documents more professional and easy to read. This video will cover the following topics: how to insert a table into your Microsoft Word document, add a row or column into the table, delete a row or column from the table, and lastly, format cells by adjusting column width and row height. The first option to insert a table is to click Insert, then Table, and highlight the amount of rows and columns you want in your table. The other option is to click Insert, then Table, and then Insert Table. This menu will pop up and you will enter how many rows and columns you would like. Let's take a moment to reflect. Which method of inserting a table would you prefer to use most of the time? After you've created your table, you may realize that you need to add another row or column. In order to do this, right-click inside a cell that is next to where you want the row or column to be added. This menu will pop up. Hover over where it says Insert, and then click the option you want. After you've entered the headers into your table, you may realize you've entered too many columns. In order to delete columns, highlight the columns you want to delete, and right-click on the highlighted area. This menu will pop up. Click where it says Delete Columns. Now that you've entered all of your data into your table, you may notice that it doesn't look the best because not everything is fitting or there's too much empty space. There are a few ways to adjust the width of columns or the height of rows. You can highlight your entire table, right-click on the highlighted area, and click on either Distribute Rows Evenly or Distribute Columns Evenly. Another method is to highlight your entire table, right-click on the highlighted area, and click on Table Properties. You can then click on either row or column and specify what the width or height should be. The last method is to individually resize the rows or columns. On the one you want to resize, hover over the line so that the mouse cursor looks like this, and then click and drag it to the size you want. Let's take a moment to reflect. When might you want all of the columns to be the same size? That's how you can use tables in Microsoft Word to organize your data efficiently and have your report look more professional and easier to read. Thank you for watching.